बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलातु वस्सलामु अलैका या सय्यदी या रसूलल्लाह. We warmly welcome to you in our channel Integration TV. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Dear viewers, for all the lovers of life, this post is going to be one of your favorite. I am going to talk about my beloved Shams Tabrizi and his vision of love. Today we discuss rule number 3 from the 40 rules of love. Each reader comprehend the Holy Quran different level of tandem with the depth of his understanding. There are 4 levels of insight. The first level is the outer meaning, and it is the one that majority of the people are content with. Next is the batin, the inner level. Third, there is the innermost of the internal, and the fourth level is so deep it cannot be put into words, and is therefore bound to remain indescribable. Scholars and jurists who follow the orders of Sharia, these are on the first level. The second level is that of the Sufis. The third rank is for saints, and the fourth rank it belongs to the prophets and messengers and their divine heirs. You speculate on the relationship of a human being with Allah Almighty and the nature of this relationship. Don't worry about knowing. Everyone has their own way and their own way of expressing devotion. God don't see our words and actions, but look at the hearts. These customs and traditions are not self-inflicted. The real thing is purity of heart. There is a saying of beloved Prophet that God does not look at your bodies or your forms, but rather looks at your hearts. Dear viewers, this was a rule number 3. If you like our video and want to watch more videos, so please subscribe our channel. Jazakallahu khaira wa